Morning, everyone. Province life in Bicol. Ha? Na mahal kita. Na na. Babang!
Dad!
Agad, butangin ang tabi sa...
Pag may isang.
Isog, ah. Bye-bye! Hi. Golden Pizza. Hello. Thank you for the thumbs up. Good morning. Only stay in 30 minutes. Maybe more than. Kuya Gab, baka naman ako, Vans. Kuya Gab. Kuya Gab. May ano din ba Gab ha? May palaman. Huwag mo sade. Baka naman ako, Vans. Ano wala bagaan? Ang burger lang na wala palaman.
Wala na nagtintiro ka, Benny.
Kanan, baba, hakaon. Mababa kita kang Kuya Gab sila ano.
Sanggatos.
Sanggato.
Maman talaga.
Wala man sanggato.
Ibang rin.
Masarap support.
Ay, ang 50 lang.
Wala na 50.
Minumod ako dala.
Binakal ko na tarong. Sige na. Ang sarap na potos niyo.
Bakal pa mo na ako doon na.
Sige, bahala. Good morning, everyone. She's in the Philippines. I'm from India. Okay, nice to meet you. Zuhan, rocking BTS Army. Have a nice day, too. Hi, Golden Frieza. Only stay on for 30 minutes. Maybe more than. Thank you, Tim. Thank you so much. Giancarlo Villarreal. Mama, kumusta kayo? Okay lang, anak. Suhan Rocking BTS Army, hello. Mama, may anak ka na? Yes. Meron na. Isa. English, John. John is a Filipino team. She said, if I have a kids, he called me mama. Lahat ng karapatan. What do you mean, Suhan? Magandang umaga, guwapa Sheryl. Thank you, Biglan. Thank you. Jose, uy. English, guys. Thumbs up, Dan. Maganda, Sheryl. Thank you, Greg. Like, number 3. Thank you. Thank you, Biglan and Greg. Good morning po, Mama. Good morning. Ikinagagala kitang makilala, mahal na kaibigan. Nice to meet you too, Zohan. Okay lang, John Carlo. Okay lang. Good morning. Good morning, Greg. Good morning to New here. Hi, Alien. Marami akong kaibigan mula sa Pilipinas. Oh, that's good. You have a friends here in the Philippines. So, working. That's nice. Mama, isang lalaki anak mo. Yes, isang lalaki po. John Carlo. Hi, Greg from Team Flavio Bastos. Hello, Bastos talaga. Hello, Flavio. Brazil. Okay, you are from Brazil. Morning, everyone. Alam mo ba, bisya? What bisya means? Hello, Tim. How are you from Greg? He can speak English. Isa anak ko. I have one kid, one son. Good. Hello. Double tap. You can like and subscribe, everyone. Thank you, Beglon. Mahal ko ang mga Pilipino. That's good. Thank you, Sohan. You love Filipino. Albert Van Santen. Who is here? He that Michulumi. What means? Huh? Huh?
Wala.
Good morning, Team and Greg from May. Lens Magic. Hi, May. Where you from? I'm from Philippines. Napakaganda ang cute mo, ate. Thank you, Sohan. Hello, Golden Frieza. Magandang umaga, May. Love you. Muito obrigada. What means? Kilala mo ba ang mga taga-Bisigo? No, I'm not. I'm from Bicol, Sohan. I am from the Netherlands. Okay. Albert Van Santin. Welcome here in my live. Thank you. Shout out from New Zealand. Thank you for joining Sir Albert Van Santen. Magandang umaga din sa iyo, Greg. Coffee na. Coffee time. My friend is from Philippines, Cebu. Okay, that's nice. It's good, so on. Hey, Sam. May I subscribe to your channel? Thank you, Greg. Thank you. That's nice. Very nice. Let's eat bread. Burger. Spring Beauty USA. Hello. Hi. Thank you for the team Damzak and 15 viewers. Palaging pala kaibigan ang mga Pilipino. Yes. Most Filipino are friendly. What means? Flavio? Hi, in English, please. How do I give you super chat for you? Not yet. Not yet give super chat. I'm not yet monetized. If I am monetized, if my channel is monetized, everyone can give a super chat. Sana. Oh, thank you. Thank you for willing to give the super chat. Thank you, guys. If my channel monetized, uh, I'm Suhan, not Suham. Sohan. Okay. Thank you, Sohan. I give you more super chat for you, sister. Thank you, Sohan. I wish my channel monetize soon. Relani is Sohan. Thank you, Greg, from me. Don't worry, be happy. Yes, stay happy. Stephen McCardle. Hello from USA. Hi, Sir Stephen McCardle. Thank you so much joining here. What is the time over there right now? Time here? 7:34 in the morning. Rilani is more Stephen. Hi, Stephen from Rilani. Rilani is more. You will be monetized soon. We all will. We all will support your channel now. Thank you, Greg. I'm hoping. Thank you so much for my supportive friends. Thank you, guys. I really appreciate your support, guys. Thank you so much. It's 5 a.m. right now in India. Okay, 5. 2 hours and done. I love Philippines. Thank you, Stephen Macardo. Thank you so much for loving Philippines. Thank you. Philippines love America also. T is the cubic steel, huh? What means Soren iron? John Baker, come with me to Boracay. John Baker, Boracay. I love Boracay. Thank you, Gab.
Ah,
Thank you. Paluhay, yeah. What means Soren iron? Where in the Philippines are you? I'm from Luzon, Bicol Province, Philippines. Please don't forget like and subscribe this channel, all friends. Thank you so much, Sohan. Rocking BTS Army, thank you. Romania. You are from Romania, Soren Ian. Okay. Nice to meet you, Soren Ian. Roger P. Han. Please more sports, all friends. When are you coming? No, I'm not going there. Not yet going in India. And I don't know. I have been to the Philippines 2 times. Wow. Really? Sir Stephen Macardo. Where are you here? In the Philippines. Maybe Bisaya, I think. Many foreigner meet Bisaya here. We will come from India country. Thank you, Sohan. Always. My girlfriend lives in Davao. Okay. That's good. She's a Bisaya. I'm coming to the Philippines in 1 month. If you are single, I'd like to take you with me. I'm not single, John Baker. You will meet in Boracay. John. You will meet in Boracay if you go there. A lot Filipino there. Beautiful Filipino. I love Philippines people and South Korea people. Oh, that's good. That's nice. Malapit na ako one day Philippines, ate. Okay. Yes. Hi, Spring Beauty. I say hello. Don't see that Suhan. Sir, you call me only Suhan, sister. Okay. Okay, to Suhan. Thank you, Suhan. Why John Baker? Where are you from, John Baker? Stephen Macardo, Angeles City, Cebu, Pangasinan, Baguio, Cebu in 2019, 2023, Davao only. Ah, okay. You, ano, ba yan? Look around with your girlfriend here in the Philippines. That's nice, Stephen Macardo. Good job. You call me only Sohan, okay. Okay, Sohan. Okay, Sohan. I understand more for Tagalog language. Okay. Ah, the US. You are from the US, John Baker. My girlfriend is Filipino. You have a Filipino. You have also Filipino girlfriend, Suhan. I want to come back so bad. Hmm? So bad. My girlfriend name is Jublin. Oh, that's nice. Tall boy. Good morning, tall boy. Happy for you, Suhan and Sir Stephen. Welcome to the Philippines. She's living in Saudi Arabia, sister. Ah, okay. She's working in Saudi Arabia, but she's from Philippines. Yeah, I'm very happy talking with you, pretty sister. Thank you. You watch mo na. Yes, you're right. Philippine is less stress. Yeah, less stress. Stress free. Do you celebrate Mother Day in the Philippines? Yeah, this Monday, this coming Monday, Mother's Day here. Happy 100%. Hi, my eye bugs. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you, tall boy. Happy Mother's Day to your mom. In US, it's go go, but more relaxed in the Philippines. Yes, more relaxed here. Like I said, only do 30 minutes. Thank you for the 14. Happy Mother's Day in advance. Thank you, Suhan. Okay, 30 minutes. That's 10 11 minutes left. Just only 30 minutes live. Thank you, guys. You have beautiful eyes. Thank you. Just wake up, but my eye bugs. Oh, eye bugs. Thanks for a compliment, my cute sister. Welcome. Hi, tall boy. You're from USA, tall boy. Tall boy, love Philippines. You have also Filipina girlfriend. Paulo Antonio. Hi, Paulo. Thank you for the 15 people here and the 14. Tusok. Mihamag. Good morning, Philippines from Indonesia. Hi, welcome here, Muhammad Rohem. Welcome from Indonesia. Alright, I need rest because I'm very tired, sister. Okay, go rest. Take your time. Thank you, Sohan, for joining here in my life. Goodbye. Take care. Jesus bless you always. Thank you. Jose where are you from? Paulo Antonio. Goodbye, take care. Goodbye. Frame. Hi, Frame. I join your channel, sister. Thank you. Thank you for subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. Alright. Okay. Good morning, baby girl. Omar, brother. Good morning, baby girl. Jesus bless your all family members. Thank you, Sohan. Bye-bye. Bye, Sohan. Thank you. Bye, Sohan. Dadar Flora. Hi, welcome back, Dadar.
Kasi sinig, maganda na ako intindi.
Thank you, Sohan. Where are you? I'm from Philippines. From Philippines, Darius. Alphamano. Alphamano. Philippines. Yeah, I'm from Philippines. Doing good. Doing great. Yeah. That's good, mom. Okay. What should? Thank you for the 16 people and the 15 thumbs up. Hello, do you have feedback? Anyway, what is name? My name is Sheryl. What is name? Natatagang pa ikaw, men. Highness of card. Filipino. No. Ano po ba? Lacing capable. Lacing? Hello, beautiful lady. How are you? I'm fine, sir. Lazy card. Hi, Shirley Pollock. Welcome back again. Hi, sweet lady. I come again to listen to your legit roster sing lol. I see you are well. Enjoy your food. Thank you, sir. Lee Pollock. The chicken. The roaster. The... Ay, ay. Limutan mo pa ba aking... You are beautiful. Thank you, Sir Nasa card. Visit card. Maybe you are from Turkey. Turkey or maybe I think. Tagang pa ikaw. Ikaw ang nag-ano aga-aga. Thank you for the 17 thumbs up, guys. Ah, man. You kissed though. Thank you for the 18 people. Give the thumbs up. Thank you, guys. You're beautiful girl. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Your eyes. You kiss though. Yes, nice.
Pa.
Ka na makatawid sa
Sa.
Bye-bye. Thank you guys for watching. I need to end the live. Thank you so much.
Then,
Bye-bye.
din nakatuma.
Kita lang na doon.